Hello, I'm Ramsey Messier from District 4 Program Project Management. I want to introduce you to our innovative Sb1 dashboard. The District 4 Sb1 dashboard is updated after each CTC meeting and captures Sb1 projects with allocated funds for us here in the 9 Bay Area counties. The tool allows you to apply filters of several data sets concurrently, so you could visually analyze and get answers quickly using a few simple clicks of the mouse. Visually allowing you to spot patterns in the data so you could get information quickly, make better decisions, and take actions if necessary. Data patterns which otherwise might be overlooked or take time to recognize in a spreadsheet, if ever. So the tool allows you to answer some of the simplest questions in day-to-day operation. For example, how many Sb1 funded projects are currently in construction in District 4? So for that, let me jump to the tool and let's see if we could get a quick answer. Here, as you could see, is our dashboard, which is available via a link on our intranet website. So you can quickly see here, let me just give a quick walkthrough. On the left-hand side is where it displays the results. So whatever you're filtering for, it's going to display the results on the left-hand side. And on the right-hand side, those same results will be listed out. So whatever projects end up in the filter will be on the right-hand side listed out as projects. Up here at the top is your filtering mechanisms. These are drop-down menus, as you could see, by Sb1 program type or by Sb1 asset type for the 4 core assets, or by current phase, which is for P&ED or in PS&E or construction or K phase or PID. You have the project manager, so you could query by the project manager's name or by the EA. So those are your drop-down menu filters at the top. On the bottom here, you have another filtering mechanism, which kind of nicely divides it up by the county or the route. So if we, and if you notice these tiles, you could enlarge them for better viewing. So here we enlarge the county tile. So you could have, Alameda or Santa Clara. You could choose Santa Clara and filter projects in that county, or you could do multiple counties, let's say Santa Clara and San Mateo. To basically untoggle and go back, you just click over it again. Again, very easy to use. And here with the routes, it's in similar fashion. Whenever you want to see a particular route, all the projects on that route, you could easily just click on that and get it filtered in the same fashion. And it could be one route or multiple routes. So let's go back and give it a try and see if we could have it answer a couple of simple questions. So how many Sb1 funded bridge projects are currently in construction in District 4? So for this particular one, we're going to go to the Sb1 asset type. We know it's bridge. So right away, it's going to filter all our bridge projects that are Sb1 funded. And next, we're going to go to the phase, and we're going to click on construction. So as you could see, the results are displayed here on the left. So we have a total of 9 projects that have a total Sb1 funds of $76,581,725, and the total corresponding CTIPS programmed amount and the total project cost as it shows in Prism. And here is the locations in what counties and what routes, and again the list of projects right here, which you could scroll through. So that answers one question. Let's do another example. So for that, let's refresh it, and basically it's going to bring us back to the beginning. How many SB1 funded projects are on Route 101 currently in District 4? And what is the dollar value of those projects? So for that one, seems simple enough. We could go to our list of routes here. Let's expand it. You have Route 101. We'll click on that. As you can see, it blanks out all the other routes. Let's minimize. So now we have, as you can see on the map, Route 101 with all the various different projects. There's a total of 39. Total SB1 funds on those 39 projects amounts to 550 million, and the total CTIPS cost, programmed amounts, and the total PRISM cost amounts. So as you could see, you got the answer fairly quickly. And let's try one more question. For that, let's refresh it again. Let's say we want to see how many TMS projects are currently ongoing in District 4. So for that, we're going to toggle down to TMS, Traffic Management Systems. And as you can see, we have 20 projects that have a total SB1 funds of almost 39 million. And again, the total project cost for CTIPS and PRISM. So as you could see, from a few simple questions to more complex questions that we need answers to, the tool lets us view and analyze the data quickly and make decisions as appropriate or take actions as necessary. So hope you enjoyed this walkthrough our District 4 Sb1 dashboard, and we hope you can make use of it in the future. Thank you again.